Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and then orange line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, some updates here definitely need to be made. If you did watch yesterday's video, then today's action should make sense. Got the pattern breakout, went up there to that resistance, and the power of charts, that's right where it got rejected from. But I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So I'm just going to get rid of that line. But what I am going to do is I want to keep this overall trend line here updated. So I am going to extend this forward just so we can keep an overall eye on that. So there we are. And that's, the overall, that's basically measuring when the pullback happens, how bad does the pullback get? Case in point right here, beautiful move, big pullback. That's how bad it got. It leveled out right there. Actually, there's a pullback right there and didn't quite hit it, but leveled out right there. Movement right there, pulled back, didn't even hit the trend line. Then in a move today, and we'll see how bad the pullback gets. And when I say bad, I don't necessarily mean it in a bearish way. I just mean it in a non-ideal way, because I'm like everybody else. We all just want to see the price go straight forward or straight upwards, but that's just not the reality, right? No price can go straight up. Consolidations happen, and as long as the consolidations, those stay up above that orange line, then that implies that those lows keep getting higher and higher, and that is the name of the game. As far as, how big picture, uptrends are built, it's all just boils down to build higher lows, and I get it. Well, build higher lows, that seems, just follow the trend line. That's why I love charts. They allow a moron like me to they simplify things, and anybody can measure that and say, is the price staying above that trend line? Oh, it is. Therefore, by definition, the trend is still bullish, and that's what you want to see. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. 270, as I've already talked about, is a level of resistance. Knocked down the price there, and then of course this afternoon on Tuesday, or excuse me, today's Wednesday, and once again was rejected from 270. So that remains the key level of resistance. But overall, nice movement. But at the end of the day, even with the pullback, the final 30 minutes, as long as the price stays above that trend line, then the bulls are in full control of the current trend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.